As you might know if you're already subscribed to my channel, I'm trying to find the perfect scone recipe because I love tea and I love scones and I would love to have a good home-baked scone. Last time I tried 3 scone recipes and while they were all delicious, I made a few mistakes on one of them, the Alice's Teacups recipe. So a few weeks after I shot the original video, I decided to try to remake the recipe. So if you've watched the original video, you've seen me make a lot of scones lately, so I'm just gonna speed through this for you. The major changes that I made are, number 1, I measured the fruit properly. The recipe only calls for ½ a cup per type of fruit, but originally I just used the full pint. Number 2, the grocery store had blueberries this time, so I did include them. Thirdly, I used the correct amount of butter, that is 3/4 of a cup instead of 1.5 cups. And lastly, last time I didn't have spare heavy cream because I used all of my heavy cream to make fresh clotted cream, which was excellent and totally worth it. You can also watch my video about that. But this time I did buy heavy cream specifically to top the scones with before they went in the oven. So that's the baking process. Let's see what the taste test was like. Today we have a redo of the mixed berry scones. I'm a lot happier with how they look.
They've got very nice shape to them for how much wet fruit is in them.
The dough was hard to work with again, maybe even as hard, which means that the butter didn't impact that.
Really?
It's just a wet dough.
I'm so excited for all the fruit I can see. I am so excited to eat these. Oh, it's like still kind of like light and fluffy.
I like that texture a lot. It's still scones this time though. Or it's still a scone, I would say.
Yeah.
Maybe a little too muffiny. I think the issue is how much liquid the fruit brings to it. It's 2 cups of fresh fruit that's just leaching moisture out.
I fail to see an issue. I mean, if this is not what you were going for, there's a good chance you should have been going for this, because this is so good.
I mean, I think it's delicious. I just think it's veering into muffin territory too much for me.
But you do know that I am, at my heart, a muffin man.
Oh my god.
It's so good, right?
Here's the question. At what point is a scone just a vehicle for clotted cream and curd? Do you think this is the perfect scone? Like I should just stop my journey here? This is the perfect scone?
I don't know if there is a perfect scone. This is perfect for its genre, which is a fluffy, muffiny, wet scone. I'm sure there could be a perfect dry scone or spiced scone or something like that, you know? But if you want a scone that's kind of like moist and fruity, this is amazing.
I think I want to try this recipe, but I want to switch around some things with the other recipes we tried. Once again, thank you for taste testing with me.
Once again, I'm always happy to. Cheers!